guys, if you are suffering from autofit column, so how you can solve this problem? Like for example, I want to write here name, last name, and also here father name. So I want to write here salary and over time. So do you know this is a kind of problem? After this I will drag one by one like this one. No, it is perfectly consuming the time. So today I want to show you how to easily, it means control these all, but no, this method is very consuming. So today I want to show you how you can write these all things easily to fix it means the column should be fixed automatically. So for this one you should come here and right click on the sheet and go to the view code. After the view code you should click here on object in worksheet. So you should select worksheet, and after this you should write here cells column dot, and here you should write entire column, and after this you should press a dot and you have to write autofit. When you have written that, after this you should, as you wish, if you want to save it or if you don't want to save, just today I want to show you how can it works. So just click on it, just I want to view it. But after this right now I can write here for example name, autofit it is going to be fixed, and also we can say last name, and also like for example father name. So look at that, automatically it's going to be fixed. So for example over time like here. So you know guys, there is no need that I will drag it or to fix it. No, it's automatically fixing in all columns. But if you have a project, but it's better that you have to select here, it means this code you have to do first, this code, then you can use it easily. So guys, don't forget my subscribe. It means you should subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thank you.